If you're watching this wondering why anyone would complicate their life by using Blender instead of the Creative Cloud included Cinema4D Lite, then I'm guessing you've not used C4D Lite much. Blender is a full open source 3D package capable of doing so much more than C4D Lite, but it comes with a steep learning curve. There's loads of tutorials out there showing you how to create models, fire, smoke, and render in Blender, but there's none that I could see that focus on using it from an After Effects point of view. This video is going to show you how to export composition data, including camera positions from After Effects, and import them into Blender. First off, you need to head to Gachoki Studios and download their scripts for After Effects and Blender. They've included a walkthrough of what you need to do, but in summary, download the After Effects script. You can either install it using File, Scripts, Install Script File, and then restart After Effects, or you can run it each time by going to File, Scripts, Run Script File. Select any cameras you want to include. Although to be honest, when I forgot to do this, it doesn't seem to affect anything. Then make sure the composition is highlighted. Then run the script. If installed, it's called Export Camera Data to JSON.jsx. A pop-up will ask you about comp length and so on. And at the end of the saving process, you will have a file full of AE data. So next, open up Blender. And now we need to download the second file from Gachoki. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. Choose Install. Install the .py file. Now go to File, Import, and at the bottom of the list you'll find an option for After Effects Composition Data Converted. This creates a camera matching your own, the background video is represented by a flat solid, and any nulls have their position data set. And so you're ready to begin modelling.